In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to your Squarespace website. Whether you're updating a blog, a product description, or your homepage, adding text is a fundamental task that can dramatically impact how site visitors perceive your website. So, let's ensure your Squarespace site shines with well-placed and edited content. First things first, you'll need to head over to Squarespace. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're in the right place is key. Squarespace's homepage is your gateway to editing and customizing your site, so start there. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, your next move is to log in. Look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you're one step closer to adding your content. Squarespace offers several ways to log in, including using email and password or various social media platforms. However, for a quick and streamlined process, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials, simplifying the process and not having to remember another password. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll see a list of accounts if you're signed into more than one. Choose the Google account associated with your Squarespace site. This should link directly to any Squarespace sites connected to your chosen Google account, simplifying the login process. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select your website from the dashboard. Squarespace might present you with one or several sites depending on how many you manage. Click on the website you want to work on to proceed. Once you're viewing the back end of your chosen site, it's time to start editing. You'll want to navigate to the specific page you wish to add text to. Look for a navigation menu or your site's outline. From there, you can select the specific page or area you're aiming to update. Upon finding the right page, you're ready to edit. Squarespace's editor mode is what makes this platform user-friendly. You should see an Edit button, possibly near the top left of the interface. Click this to enter the page's edit mode. This transition is where the real magic begins as you switch from merely viewing your site to having the power to modify it. Once in edit mode, you'll notice that Squarespace divides your page into blocks. These blocks can contain various types of content, like images, videos, or the text you're about to add. Look for the ADD block button, which is your key to inserting new elements into your page. Remember, this option is only available in edit mode, so make sure you're correctly positioned to proceed. Click on ADD block, and a menu will appear, showcasing all the different types of content blocks available. Since we're focused on adding text, navigate through this menu until you find the Text option. Selecting this will let you add a new block dedicated to your textual content. Once the text block is in place, you can start personalizing it with your content. Hover over the new text block and you should see an edit icon, a pencil or similar symbol appear. Clicking this icon opens the text editing interface, where you're free to add, remove, or alter the text. This is your moment to get creative, input the necessary information, and adjust the formatting to match your site's style. Finally, after you've inputted your desired text and are satisfied with how it looks, don't forget the most crucial step: saving your work. Look for the Save button, which is usually located in the upper left or right corner of the edit interface. Clicking this ensures all your hard work is not lost, applying the changes you've made to your live site. Remember, adding text to your Squarespace site is more than just filling empty spaces. It's about communicating with your audience, providing essential information, and enhancing the overall user experience. Play around with the placement, experiment with different formats, and always aim for clarity in your messaging. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of adding text to your Squarespace website, whether it's a blog post, product detail, or a new section on your homepage. The steps we've gone through today will ensure you can update your site with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different content blocks and layouts. Your Squarespace site is a canvas awaiting your unique input, so go ahead and add that personal touch. Happy editing!